Introducing EAGLESHIELD Flight Tracker, a user-centric solution saving you time and effort. Built by UAS pilots for UAS pilots, logging your flights is now easier than ever before. Flight Tracker simplifies all your entries for missions, training, and maintenance, providing a complete solution for your UAS operations. No need for new software or IT approvals, as Flight Tracker integrates directly into Microsoft Excel, ensuring a reduced learning curve and quick setup. This powerful tool allows UAS teams with multiple entities to track missions collectively while reporting back to their respective agencies, encouraging more investment and collaboration within the program. The flat price doesn't increase with the size of your team or your fleet. For one low rate, there is no limit to the amount of pilots or drones in your plan. Easy, affordable, effective. Get EAGLESHIELD Flight Tracker and experience a seamless UAS management solution that puts your team at the center of every operation.